Alright, this is my Python project 4. We're going to be working on rock, paper, scissors for this one. Our goal is to create a program that plays rock, paper, scissors by taking in the player's input and then using the computer's input to see who wins. For our design, we use 5 main functions. The functions include random function, the input function, the while loop function, and the break function, and then lastly the conditionals. For our build, at first we printed out the instructions of the game so the player know what to do. Then we use the while loop to have the computer ask you for your input an infinite amount of times until you chose what you'd like to do. We use the input function to receive the player's input and see if it would fit into the conditionals. And then using the random function, we choose a random number between 1 and 3 for the computer's input. So giving the players and then the computer's input. Then we use the conditionals for the player's input for rock, paper, scissors. The print function would then choose the players or show the players and the computer's choice. Afterwards, we use conditionals to decide who the winner was. Then we'd ask the player if they'd like to continue playing the game by taking their input. And lastly, we use the break function to end the game. Here's our program. And then while we were testing out a program, we had incorrect indentation. So I had to fix that. Fix the indentation. There's a few syntax errors, things spelled incorrectly. And then lastly, here's our play. And then I will run the program. So it'll keep asking you if you could put a number in, and then now enter it again. And it asks you if you want to continue or no. So if I press yes, it'll continue, and then if I press incorrect number, it'll say enter a valid number. And lastly, if I press no, it will end the game and thank the player for playing.
Good job.
Thanks.
Any questions? All right.